They look absolutely fantastic.
You deserve this.
Well deserved.
So I started my journey like everyone else does in the UK. You just go onto Google and you start looking for dentists and you come up with an absolute boatload of dentists in Turkey. Obviously then we speak to friends and family and we try and find out if anyone's been to these certain clinics. And for me, a friend of mine had been here. So I got in touch and from there on that journey just took off. I was WhatsApping every day with the online team. They were constantly in touch, constantly reassuring me. The price came in, everything was broken down in that WhatsApp messages. Then when I finally got here, the flights obviously, flights are flights, aren't they? I was picked up from the airport, swooshed to my hotel. Hotel was fantastic. As everyone knows, going on holiday to Turkey, the people who work in these hotels are absolutely fantastic anyway. After that, straight up in the morning, come down, had my first consultation, and believe it or not, what I actually wanted wasn't what I needed. I was £3,500 better off because I got a quote for that much, and by the time they did the x-rays, and I spoke to the head dentist, she saved me £3,500. Now, who comes to a clinic and gets saved £3,500? Well, I don't know anywhere where that would happen. Then I met the onboarding team. He's absolutely fantastic. It's outside there now. Every day, I was whisked from the hotel to the clinic. The treatments, absolutely amazing dentist. Amazing. I actually missed my first appointment. So in actual fact, I've had all my procedure done in 3 days. These guys literally pushed the boat all the way out to get it done. Even though it was my fault, as us Brits do, we come on kind of like a holiday, kind of like come to get some treatment. I fell in the trap, but these guys just took it upon themselves and just got the work done. 3 days, I mean, come on guys, 3 days, everything done, and I'm laughing. I can't really emphasize enough how good they are. You've just got to come here. If you're going to get any treatment done, and you're coming to Turkey, this is the place to come to. 1,000,000%. They're absolutely amazing.